Hey guys, hope you're alright. I came back from my vacation. Today was my first day of trading. Since I came back, I'm a bit under the water. I'm not feeling that great. I think I have a flu. But let's get straight to the trading and let's start with the first trade. So the first trade I took was a short pre-New York Open. So I was anticipating that the market will open bearishly. Just because the market structure was bearish, everything was pointing down. We were below the Delta CVD line, and yeah, both assets were bearish, but ES opened a bit strongly, so that's why I wanted to close this trade because they weren't moving in sync. So here on my second trade, I tried taking a long based on the VWAP and New York Open backtest, but I was instantly in a losing position, so I got stopped out immediately. As you can see my rules on screen, I have a $400 daily loss limit, and the second rule that I didn't follow was only take base hits. As you can see here, I tried longing it again while the market structure was bearish and everything was pointing downwards. And as you can see right now, my PNL is minus 873, and that's because I tried raising my position size and I encountered some volatility and my stop loss did not hit. So it was supposed to auto liquidate my position and close my position when I hit a $400 loss on my main account. And therefore I just decided, yeah, let me stop trading here at minus 873 with this account because I'm above my daily loss limit. So that's the first rule respected. So I'm proud of that. And I bought another evaluation account. And this evaluation account, I started trading directly with 3 contracts. So let's see what happened here.
Order canceled.
I took a short from the New York VWAP rejection and the 24 EMA. And as you can see here, the reaction was quite instantaneous. So I was pretty pleased with this trade and how it ended out and worked out. Right now I'm in $500 in profit, and I'm looking to move out. I'm looking to get out of the trade. And I wanted to close one contract, but I accidentally closed 3, so I'm in profit $600. So the next trade is another short from the same area, but I instantly get the stop loss in this trade. So then I enter again in the same area in the chart while we did a move higher. I should have had like a mental stop loss for the prior trade. I wouldn't have got stopped out, and it would have been better. And as you can see, my all of my wins from the first trade were wiped out by that really quick stop loss. And at this point, I was confident in this trade and I entered with another 3 contracts. So now I have 6 contracts in this VWAP rejection trade. And I'm pretty calm and relaxed at this point. As you can see, I switched to 3 contracts there on my DOM, and now I'm in $700 profit, and I'm looking to cash out a little bit just because I want to make sure that we're not bouncing here from the 24 EMA. And I closed it for 1K in profit, and I'm pretty pleased with this trade. And I figured at this point, you can see on screen that I have 1K on the second account, minus 800 on the second account, so I buy another evaluation account now. Why did I do that? I did this because I figured, let me just trade one account at a time and not put my eggs in all of the baskets. I don't need to make 3K on one account to pass it in one day. I can just like make a little bit every day and take it as I go. So I bought another evaluation account and I entered the continuation trade. This is a trade that I said that I'm not going to take, and you can see there on screen that my base hits rule is not respected now. This is a trade that I don't usually take, and it should be done under the best circumstances. It should be a really quick trade. It shouldn't be something that you do all of the time. It was like a $600 profit, but as you can see, I did it again. Why did I do it again? Just because it worked once, and in my mind, it just got reinforced that, yeah, this is a day that we're going to see trending to the downside because London was bearish, and we're just going to see continuation, because I noticed when London is extremely bearish and the after hours the Aussie session is extremely bearish, New York tends to follow the trend that it's started in during the after hours. So at this point, these trades are not the best because my entry sucks. If I would have had a really good entry and I would have had the stomach to just put my stop to profit once the move happens, I could have just have a runner for the rest of the day, and this could have transformed in a 3K short. But because I wasn't patient enough to get in on the retest of good entry, I just, I closed for $800 in profit. As you can see, I had $800 in profit at that point. So right now, I enter this continuation long, and this is a bad trade because it's not in a good position in the chart. So I enter it again. You can see the video is sped up, and this is the place where I lost a lot of money because I entered with 6 contracts. I moved my, so I was in profit. I should have closed the trade because these continuation type of trades, they shouldn't last long. They should be only like, you see profit and you close it. You don't know how much the market is going to go. You don't know anything. So you should have like a 20 tick take profit. And if the price goes against you, you should exit immediately. So you can see here that I took a very small take profit, and now I closed the trade for a huge loss. So from 800 plus, I am in negative territory. So at this point, I lost the evaluation. So that's how quick you can lose the evaluation, because I didn't take base hits. I just took continuation trades. And these type of trades are basically based on your intuition as a trader and based on the fact that you anticipate what the market is going to do. And you should be extremely careful when the market is showing you that it's not going to do what you thought it was going to do, because that trade instantaneously transforms into a hope trade. And these type of trades, they're just like the worst type of trades because they're not based on anything. They're just based on you wishing to make money. So it's a form of gambling, but it's a form of gambling backed up by some TA. But at the point in which the trade doesn't work out, you should get out and minimize your losses and move on, search for the next one. So from this point onward, I went ahead and lost another 3 evaluation accounts, and I made 300 more on my second eval. So I ended up the day with 1 evaluation account that's with 2 evaluation accounts that are active. One had the 873 loss and one had 1.3k in profit, and I lost an additional 3 or 4 in total evals. I lost 4 evals today, and that's just because I went on this tilt mode in which I started trading based on my intuition, and I used very high contract sizes for those type of trades because I wanted to pass an evaluation for whatever reason. And I just screwed up big time, and I was on each evaluation green for like 1 or 1.5k, and then one trade just wiped me out. So the moral of the story is, respect the rules. That's why they're there. If you hit your daily loss limit, either trade a different eval or stop trading at all because you're not taking the best trades. And with the base hits, that's straightforward also, because if you're taking setups that are not in your repertoire, it's basically more or less gambling. So I'm also falling into this trap. So try not to do the same mistakes I do. Try to trade based on your TA. Today was a okay day. Tomorrow I'll look back and I'll try to take only the best setups. So hopefully today's losses won't go without some improvement. So that's it from me today. Thanks for watching my video, and catch me in the next one. See ya.